Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, maybe share with a friend, leave a comment. All those do really help out the channel. So today's product's really simple. It's a flexible tripod by a company called GooFoto. My old tripod basically broke, and what I like about this is I always like to carry a nice flexible tripod that is super lightweight, easy to throw in a bag, and that's basically it. That's what this is. So I'll include a link in the description that'll take you to Amazon if you want to check it out for yourself. But once you order it, this is the box it comes in. Pretty straightforward, nothing fancy. And then you're going to get the tripod itself. It has the little camera mount on the top here. So if you want to hook up your phone to it, you just pull this up. Then, of course, you can unscrew this. And you can mount this way also. And then on the bottom here, you can mount into a standard, like a DSL camera. Now, it is worth noting with these kind of tripods, if you do use a DSL camera like I do sometimes, you want to make sure if you have one of the longer lenses, it can tip over. So you really want to make sure you get the legs right. And once again, this is what's nice about the flexible ones is these legs are made of like a rubbery material. And so you can kind of position them however you want. You can get them to the right height that you want. And so if you do have that long lens on there, you just need to figure out a best way to stabilize it. Another great way to use these things is if you have like a pole or something, or you're on a bridge, you can wrap this around the support and then it'll hold everything in place. But it has a typical kind of ball head here. So it has a little bit full motion to the side, and then the front. It doesn't have 100% 360 motion, but it captures all the main angles, at least, that I was looking for. Like I said, it's super, super lightweight. It's about 11 inches long, so just shy of a foot. And I don't know how heavy it is, but it is super lightweight. So that's kind of my main thing is, carrying around heavy tripods can be a burden sometimes. So it's a great little tool to have if you are in the market for a tripod, or you like taking selfies or anything like that with your phone. It is definitely very useful with the cell phones. But that is basically it. Oh, and it also comes with this little Wi-Fi remote if you're going to use your cell phone. It has a button down here for the Android, and then one for the iOS phones, little on-off button on the side here, and then you just pair it with your phone, and you can use this as a remote trigger. I never honestly use this because if I'm using my phone has the voice controls. I just prefer to use those. But yeah, so it does give you this at least option to have a remote if you want, and it takes a standard coin battery that slides it here in the back. It's the CR2032 battery, so pretty readily available. But yeah, that's basically it. I just wanted to share with you. I got the new tripod, and I think it's a cool little useful tool, and wanted to share it with you. Nothing too exciting here, but it's a great affordable option out there. So feel free to hit me up in the comments section, and until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you're a rock star. You made it to the end of the video. Now, if you really want to become a legend, help me out, hit that subscribe button. And then it always helps also if you hit that like button and share these videos. Till the next one, you guys take it easy.